When a quote is converted to an order, it automatically appears in the sales ledger, with the newest entries displayed at the top. Your sales ledger is right here. Click this link, and it'll take you to the main screen where you have several tools available, including the ability to run reports. Typically, this is set as an admin-level tool to limit access, as certain features here may be restricted. For example, orders can only be deleted through the sales ledger, making this the sole place for order deletion. In the admin panel, you can edit and add invoices for job costing, which shows a detailed breakdown of each job. You'll see which categories and products were used. Click Add/Edit to enter your suppliers, who will then appear in a drop-down, allowing you to select the supplier, amount, invoice number, and other details. Once all invoices are entered, check the box and go back to view profit dollars and percentages for each job. After job costing, you can see overall profitability. If a job incurred a loss, it will display in red. You can also make edits to orders after they've been entered. Clicking Order Details gives you an overview of the order and allows you to update customer information, add a phone number, correct an email, and so on. You can adjust window sizes, add final measurements, or change any line item prices as needed. When line item prices are updated, the totals recalculate automatically. You can also add installation notes after the sale if needed. To filter for a particular salesperson's orders, select their name from the drop-down. You can also filter by date range or search by keywords within the order. At the bottom, you'll see total sales by each salesperson, including the profit on completed jobs, overall profit, and average profit percentage. For job costing, you can enter and edit invoices, including adding suppliers by typing their names, which then appear in the drop-down for invoice selection. Enter amounts, invoice numbers, and any notes if desired. Once all invoices are entered, select All Invoices Entered, and the job's profit dollars and percentage will display. Labor costs, such as commissions or installation fees, can also be applied. Additionally, you can export sales data by clicking Export, which generates a list of customer information, including order number, date, customer name, total sale, and sales tax collected. For tracking sales tax, you can choose a specific date range, like December 1st to December 31st, to view collected sales tax for that period. This filtered view will show the total sales tax collected for the selected time frame.